We're here at the Science Museum in London with Diego and Oliver, and we're just they've just done the power of over 2 hours of power-up games from retro to modern games. What was your favorite one?
My favorite was Halo because I killed Diego over 30 times.
What about you, Diego? What was your favorite?
My favorite was Forza Motorsport 6 because the graphics were really good.
Oh, cool. How about some of the retro games?
My favorite retro game was probably Pac-Man because
Mine too.
the ghosts.
Yes. Did you manage to eat some ghosts when you eat the pill and then?
Yeah.
Yes.
I ate like 5 and then I died.
I know, it's tough. It's tough. What about you? What retro game did you like, Diego?
My favorite game was the retro game was the Pac-Man, but not the oldest one.
The newest one, 1995.
No, not the newest one, but the slightly newer one.
I think it's the 1995 game. Wow. What about? Are you just wearing the Mario Kart dress up? What did you enjoy that one?
It was. Yeah, I like Mario Kart 8 on the Nintendo Switch. Of course, Diego beat me, but at least I beat him in Halo.
Okay. I want to see a Mario Kart move, and then I'll say goodbye to you. Okay. Bye bye.